Why is the sunset red? The light that travelled the farthest. Why does the sky turn red in the evening, even though it was blue all day? Does the sun somehow change its colour every evening? No. The reason sunsets are red is that sunlight has to travel a much longer path through Earth's atmosphere. During the day, the sun is high in the sky. Sunlight passes through a relatively short distance of atmosphere before reaching our eyes. Along the way, shorter wavelengths of light, especially blue light, are scattered in many directions by tiny molecules in the air. That scattered blue light is why the daytime sky looks blue. But in the evening, the sun moves close to the horizon. Now, sunlight must pass through a much longer stretch of atmosphere before it reaches us. The journey becomes much longer. As the light travels through that long path, more and more blue light is scattered away in other directions. By the time the sunlight finally reaches our eyes, much of the blue has already been removed from the direct beam. What remains is relatively richer, in longer wavelengths, especially red and orange light, which scatter less strongly. That is why the sun and the surrounding sky glow red at sunset. The sun itself has not suddenly become red. Instead, among all the colours in sunlight, much of the blue has been scattered away, while the red and orange light has survived the long journey to reach us. Science calls this light scattering. But perhaps there is also something poetic about it. The red light of sunset is the light that has travelled the longest road. It has passed through more atmosphere, lost more of its companions, and still arrived at our eyes. So maybe a sunset is more than the end of a day. Maybe it is the final letter sent to us by light after its longest journey.